Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I'm talking about Direct Mail Pro and I want to go over the different products that you get in each product level of Direct Mail Pro. But first, let me tell you exactly what is Direct Mail Pro. Direct Mail Pro is a digital and physical product company which specializes in assisting individuals and small to medium-sized companies to raise their game. Through top-tier education, we show them how to expand their marketing and promotions through easy to understand education. So basically you're getting business education that will help you to drive traffic to an offer, generate leads, and also how to convert those leads into sales. And you can use this business education for whatever business you're in, not just for Direct Mail Pro, but for any business that you're promoting. Okay? Now, it says it's a digital and physical product company, which means that not only when you first purchase your product level, you're going to get instant access to your product in the back office, but you're also going to get a box shipped to you with your product in it. And let me show you what the box looks like. Here it is right here. It's called the Big Business in a Box. And it'll also show right here what level you joined. As you can see, I joined the elite level, and I'll go over that in a minute. But this is the Big Business in a Box that you're going to receive in the mail when you join Direct Mail Pro. And it's about a 10-pound box. There's a lot of content, a lot of information in this box, okay? But the most important thing that you're going to receive in the box is this. This is your USB drive that will have your products on it, okay? And there are 5 different product levels, and depending on which product level you join, that information is going to be on this product, on this USB drive. Now, if you purchase one of the higher product levels, not only do you get access to the products at the product level you joined, but you're also going to receive the lower product levels for free. So since I joined the elite level, I also got the 2 other product levels below it for free, and they're on this USB drive, okay? And they're also in the back office of Direct Mail Pro. Now, let me go over quickly the different product levels you're going to get, okay? Scroll back up here to the top. Okay, so there are 5 different product levels. The lowest product level is Kickstarter, and it costs $250. Now that's a one-time payment, okay? All of these product levels are one-time payments. There are no monthly payments in this. So the Kickstarter level is $250. There is a shipping cost that's added to it. If you're in the USA, it's $30 shipping. In Canada, it's $60 shipping. And overseas, it's $90 shipping. So when you first create your account in Direct Mail Pro, and you go to purchase your product level, it's going to have the shipping cost included with the product cost, so you don't have to figure that out yourself. But you know, for Kickstarter, if you're in the US, it's going to be a total of $280. All right, so let me go over these product titles real quick. It's all video content, and this hours and hours of video content that you're receiving when you purchase a product. Okay, so these are all of the titles, the video titles that you're going to receive. Now for Kickstarter, you get Getting Back Time, Breathe, Mastering the Art of Goal Setting, Healthy Business, Healthy Life, Limitless Energy, Never Say Later, Procrastination Killer, Scaling Back, Stress-Free Lifestyle, Success Habits, and The Organized Mind. So all of these videos that are in the Kickstarter level, they basically help to get you ready in your business, get you ready to get started in your business by developing your success mindset, which is very important if you want to succeed in your own business. So all of these products, all of these videos in the Kickstarter level helps you to develop your success mindset, okay? And that's why it's called Kickstarter, because it's like the starting off point in starting your business. The next level is called Amateur. It's $500 plus shipping, one-time payment. And the video titles for this one are Amazon Marketing Biz in a Box, Cryptocurrency Secrets, Bitcoin Secrets, Scale Your Business with Bitcoin, e-commerce business in a box, make money online biz in a box, media buying made easy, modern millionaires, money counts proven income strategies, pay-per-click made easy, viral marketing business in a box, and mind, money, and meanings. Now, in the first part of this list here is dealing with cryptocurrencies, and more businesses are accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment, okay? Because some people, either they don't have a credit card, or they don't want to use credit cards, or they're not eligible to get credit cards, so they need a different form of payment in order to pay for products and services. So they use Bitcoin. So if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency, in this product level, you're going to learn about cryptocurrency and how to use Bitcoin to scale your business. And then there's other information about e-commerce and Amazon marketing. And if you're interested in starting like an e-commerce store or something, that information is in here. How to do pay-per-click advertising and how to do viral marketing. The next level is called Elite. This is the level that I'm at. It's $1,000 plus shipping, one-time cost. This is a 21-day content marketing plan. And in this marketing plan, you're going to get digital nomad secrets, ebook riches, IM business models, membership site authority, your first membership site, sales funnel mastery, sell your knowledge on Skillshare, start selling on Udemy in 2 hours, your first coaching business, RB Cash Intensive Pro, Dropshipping 101, Make Money with Kindle, LinkedIn Marketing, your complete IM strategy, the Internet Marketer's Toolkit, the Digital Marketer's Lifestyle, Content Marketing Blueprint, Ultimate Passive Income, Journey to be a Top Blogger, and Internet Marketing for Business People. Again, hours and hours of content. The next level is called Pro. $2,500 plus shipping, one-time payment. You get the 10K blueprint, Amazon affiliate profits, ClickBank marketing secrets, CPA marketing excellence, Facebook marketing excellence, Facebook Messenger bot marketing, list building 2.0, modern affiliate marketing, modern email marketing and segmentation, modern Facebook marketing, modern video marketing, Periscope marketing excellence, Snapchat marketing excellence, YouTube live income stream, video marketing excellence, and YouTube ads excellence. So in this pro level is focusing more on affiliate marketing, and CPA marketing is another kind of affiliate marketing, and also how to do affiliate marketing with ClickBank products. And it also focuses on free marketing strategies using Facebook and Periscope, Snapchat, YouTube Live, and also how to do paid YouTube ads. Okay. The last level, the top level, is called VIP. It's $5,000 plus shipping. That's a one-time cost. Here you're going to get Be Heard social media, make money with Bing ads, email marketing made easy, Facebook ads made easy, Facebook Live made easy, Facebook remarketing made easy, Google Ads Mastery, Google My Business, Instagram marketing made easy, Instagram Stories, LinkedIn Basics, Snapchat marketing, Social Media Advantage, Social Media Domination, Streaming Profits, Video Ads Marketing Made Easy, WhatsApp Marketing Made Easy, YouTube Authority, and Zero Cost Traffic. So in this VIP level, it's focusing a lot on social media and paid advertising with Bing ads. I think they renamed it Microsoft ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, and also how to promote and generate leads with Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, all different types of social media, how to stream live on YouTube and Facebook, and how to create authority on YouTube, and of course zero cost traffic, other additional free traffic methods that you can use in order to promote your business. Okay, so that's what you get. And remember, the higher product level that you purchase, you're going to get the lower product levels included for free. So if you come in at the VIP level, you're going to get all of the product levels for free. And since I'm at the elite level, I get Kickstarter and amateur product levels for free. Now, Direct Mail Pro also has an affiliate program. So if you want to, this is completely optional, but if you want to promote Direct Mail Pro to others and get paid for it through commissions, then they have a 2-tier affiliate program. And let me go over the compensation plan real quick. It's very simple. It's a 2-tier compensation plan. It's an affiliate, super affiliate structure. You earn 40% commissions on your direct sales and 20% override bonus commissions on your indirect sales. So people you bring into Direct Mail Pro, when they bring other people into Direct Mail Pro, you're going to earn 20% commissions on their sales. Okay. Now, what I like about Direct Mail Pro is that there are no pass-ups. Okay. There are other business opportunities out there where you have to pass up your first or second sale to your sponsor. Okay, so you do the work, but they get the benefit of the work that you did by getting that commission on that sale you made. With this compensation plan with Direct Mail Pro, there are no pass-ups. And another thing I like is that you're always going to receive a commission no matter what level someone joins. So for example, if you're at the elite level, which is $1,000, the 40% commission on that level is $400. So if you bring somebody into Direct Mail Pro and they decide to come in at a higher product level, let's say Pro, which is $2,500, the 40% commission at the $2,500 level is $1,000. Now, you're not going to receive the entire commission because you're not at the Pro level. However, you will always receive the commission up to the level you joined. So you're going to receive $400, which is the 40% commission at the elite level. You're going to receive $400. Now, the rest of the commission that's owed, which is $600, that's going to go up to the next person in your upline who's qualified at that level. Okay, so that's how the compensation plan works. So again, another example, let's say you came in at the Kickstarter level, which is $250. The 40% commission is $100. So if you bring somebody into Direct Mail Pro and they decide to come in at the VIP level, which is $5,000, the 40% commission at the $5,000 level is $2,000. Again, you're not going to receive that full commission because you're not at the VIP level, but you will receive the commission at the level that you joined, which is Kickstarter. You're going to receive $100. Now, the rest of that $1,900 commission is going to go up to the next person in your upline who's qualified at the VIP level. So that's how the commission structure works. Okay, and also with these 20% bonus commissions on the indirect sales, that can add up to a lot of money. Okay, and let's say you're at the elite level. Okay, you bring in 10 people and they all come in at the elite level. This is just a basic example just to keep things simple. You bring in 10 people at the elite level. Okay, they all come in at elite. You receive $400. Okay, so $400 times 10 people, that's $4,000. So you got $4,000 commissions on your first level. Let's say all 10 of those people bring in 10 people each at the elite level. The 20% commission is $200 on those second level sales. So you got 10 people bringing in 10 people each. That's 100 people total times $200 each for those 100 people. You just made $20,000. And these are just on your second level indirect sales. So don't discount this 20% indirect sale commission, because that can be a lot of money for you, especially if you're bringing in people who are serious about starting their own business. Okay, and they're working their business. Now, if you decide you want to upgrade to a higher product level, you can do that anytime you want to. But when you receive your big business in a box, you're going to get a flyer. This flyer right here. And on the flyer, down at the bottom, there's going to be a date there. That date signifies how long you have to upgrade your product level and only pay the difference. Okay, so if you're at the elite level and you want to go to the pro level, if you only want to pay the difference, which is $1,500, you have to do it by the date, whatever date that is when you receive your box and whatever date that is on your flyer. Okay, so if you do it before that date, you only have to pay the difference in the price of the box. Okay, now if you decide to upgrade after that date, you'll have to pay the full price. Okay, but again, you can upgrade at any time you want. Okay, so that's basically it as far as the compensation plan is concerned. Very simple. 40% commissions on your direct sales, 20% bonus commissions on your indirect sales. Now, for those who join me in Direct Mail Pro, I have some team bonuses for you. I'm part of a team that has some incredible bonuses for you and great support for you too. So no matter what product level you join, you're going to get these fast start bonuses, and they are how to rank your video on the first page of YouTube, which is a $297 value, the full YouTube marketing course, which is a $497 value. You're going to get access to our team funnel share code that does the selling for you. You're going to get access to our done for you email sequence share file, a complimentary vacation stay at a top resort. That's up to a $1,500 value. You're going to get access to our free team rotator to increase your sales. There are limited spots, so you want to jump on that quick. And you'll also be able to give away these same fast start bonuses to people who sign up with you, and this will help to increase your sales. And not only that, I don't have it on here, but you're also going to get access to our team Facebook group. It's a private Facebook group with additional training that will help you to get leads and also help you to generate sales. Okay, turn those leads into conversions. Now, if you come in at the elite level, which is the $1,000 level or higher, you're going to get our premium bonuses, which is a YouTube paid ads course. And that's a $497 value. You're going to get secret access to our wholesale leads, no membership needed, access to a social proof tool to 10x your conversions on autopilot, and of course, you'll get all of our fast start bonuses included for free. These premium bonuses, again, are for those who come in at the $1,000 level or higher. Okay. Now, there's another good thing about Direct Mail Pro that I did not mention. Direct Mail Pro has closers available for you that will close your sales for you. Okay. Many people, they don't like getting on the phone and talking to prospects. They don't like selling. They don't know how to sell. Well, Direct Mail Pro has sales closers that work on commission only, and the commissions are paid out from the company's portion, not from your portion, and they will close your sales for you. That's their main job. Okay, so you can have that done for you. People request a call back, the sales closers will call them back, answer their questions, and then get them signed up under you. Okay. Now, if you're ready to get started with Direct Mail Pro, if you're serious about starting this business, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link below this video. When you click on the link, put in your email address, and then click the submit button. When you do that, you're going to be taken to a survey. Okay? If you're really serious about this business, fill out the survey. Okay, the survey is just to determine how serious you are and how ready you are about starting this business. And then after you fill out the survey, one of our success coaches will call you back and answer any questions that you may have about Direct Mail Pro. And even if you don't have any questions about Direct Mail Pro and you're just ready to get started, when the success coach calls you back, let them know that you're ready to get started, and they will tell you exactly how to get started, how to create your account, and how to purchase a product level. Okay, so go ahead and click that link below this video. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.